I am Maria Jamily Alcon of BTVTN DT3A, and today we will be dissecting the popularly known freshwater fish in our country, which is the tilapia. So fun fact is that tilapia's scientific name is Oreochromis niloticus. So before we start, I will first present to you the materials that we need in dissecting a fish. So first, we have the gloves. Next is the apron, the mask, the hairnet, tweezers, scissor, knife, and lastly, the bowl. So, this is our tilapia. So, the physical characteristics of tilapia are shaped much like sunfish or crappie, but can easily identified by an interrupted lateral line. Here is the lateral line, characteristic of cichlid family of fishes. So, before we proceed to the dissection of the fish, I will first discuss to you the basic external parts of the fish. So, basically, it is subdivided into three sub-regions. First, we have the head region, the trunk region, and the tail region. With the first region, which is the head, we have here the mouth, which serves for taking in food of the fish. So inside the mouth, we have here the teeth, which is used for piercing and holding the food of the fish. So we have also here the tongue, here, wherein its function is to transport the food quickly into and through the mouth of the fish. So outside is the eyes, which provide information about where a fish lives and what it feeds on. So we have also here the nostrils, here, or also called as nares. So it helps the fish to detect the chemicals in the water. So this protection cover of the fish is called the operculum. So it is a bony flap that protects the gills from harm. It opens and closes to allow the water to pass over the gills. So inside the operculum is the gills, here. So the gills are the respiratory organs of the fish, which allows them to get the oxygen as it swims. So for the tail region, we have here the dorsal fin. So the dorsal fin, this is used to stabilize fish in the water and help direct the fish through turns and stops. So here is the dorsal fin. Next is the pectoral fin. So the pectoral fin helps the fish to move from side to side. So we have also here the pelvic fin. So the pelvic fin helps balance the fish and prevent it from rolling from side to side. So we have also here the lateral line. Here is the lateral line. So it is a sensory system that allows fishes to detect weak water motions and pressure gradients. So lastly, we have the anal fin. So it is called anal because it is near the anus that it provides stability to the fish. So this is the scales. This is the scales of the tilapia. So this gives the fish external protection. So now we will proceed to the tail region. So here we can see the caudal fin. So the caudal fin provides power to move the fish forward. So now, we will be dissecting the tilapia fish. So first step is to cut the operculum to see the gills. So we will use the knife to open the internal parts of the fish. So we need to be very attentive and be careful in doing this activity because we might cut the internal parts of the fish as well as for the materials that we will be using. So adult supervision is required. So, this is the internal organs of the fish. So first, let us start with the gills. So the gills helps the fish to breathe underwater. Next is the heart. Here is the heart. Heart. So the heart pumps. So this pumps the blood of the fish. Next one is the gallbladder. So this one contains green substance which is we call bile. So this is the gallbladder of the fish. This one. So it helps digest food of the fish by storing the bile. Next one is the intestines and stomach. So here is the intestines and the stomach. So it helps in digesting and absorbing feed stuffs of the fish. Next one is the liver. So this is the liver. So this is the liver of the fish, which serves as detoxification. So these are the parts of the fish. First are the gills, the heart, the liver, the gallbladder, the stomach, and intestines. So that is the internal organs of the tilapia fish. So be sure to clean up and sanitize the materials before and after using it. Thank you.